Yes, love. Just so you know, everyone, we just did what was called the Couples Connection, where people came together that hardly even know each other. This is only day 2 of the BraveHeart Couples Connection in the Whole Life Coach course. So, you know, you can do this with your daughter. You can do it with your son. They came together. They put their arms around each other. They looked into each other's eyes. They just did 10 minutes, and now they're talking about what went through their mind, what they were feeling, looking into each other's eyes and hardly knowing each other. We're going to be going and asking a few of the couples, okay, all right, what they thought, what they felt. And understand something. If you're married or if you're not and you want to really go deep and find out what unconditional love is for yourself and each other, do it with your wife, your husband. Do it with your daughter. Do it with your friend. Come together and understand you will have no differences. Even if you feel you're on the verge of collapse or a breakdown. Well, how about a breakthrough? Because we are all beautiful spirit beings. Listen to this. Most of them were so nervous because I didn't tell them they were going to be doing it. They were nervous. They didn't want to do it. And listen, how does it look now? All right, so go to the library and look at BraveHeart 12 Loving Steps and look at the Couples Connection if you'd like to come together with your daughter, your son, your uncle, your aunt, your girlfriend, your husband, your wife, your friend. For God's sakes, let's come together because together we are stronger. Have a beautiful day and God bless everyone.